A meeting chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister was just held to discuss about the sudden load shedding that MECL has had to impose. And I would like to inform you that this has been necessitated because of certain issues regarding to the letter of credit by for the NTPC, that's the National Thermal Power Corporation of India. And this is something due to which we have MECL has had to go into 6 hours, correct? 6 to 9 hours of load shedding. So the meeting was chaired by Honorable Chief Minister, and our Honorable Cabinet Ministers also attended this meeting along with the Chief Secretary and officials of the Power Department. And the matter was discussed at length as to what were the reasons why this had to suddenly happen, and what was the way forward to address this issue. So the Power Department briefed the government about the whole issue, and it was decided that I will be, as Power Minister, meeting with Honorable Minister of Power, Government of India, to discuss about this issue, about the difficulties and challenges that we as our state are facing presently, and to make sure that this regulation can be withdrawn by NTPC at the earliest. We are seized of the matter here, and we understand that this has come all of a sudden, and we feel that this is very unfortunate on the part of NTPC to act in this manner, in spite of the fact that we have availed the Atmanirbhar loan and we are looking at clearing outstanding dues which are payable to them. But having said that, it is we as a government, we understand the sensitive nature of this time wherein load shedding has to be announced, wherein students are preparing for the examinations. And that is why, looking at the urgency, we have decided that I will be personally going to New Delhi to meet Honorable Minister of Power, Government of India, and to put this forward, that this is a difficult time, not just for Government of India, it's a difficult time for everybody, including Government of Meghalaya, wherein our resources have been really affected very badly because of COVID, and the Government of India has to understand that and be a little sensitive to that. So I will be meeting Honorable Minister. I will try to meet him tomorrow and lay these facts, and we will try to find a solution. What happens is that there is a Government of India order in the past which states that all distribution companies, DISCOMs, have to make a letter of credits, and this letter of credits is against the dues which are payable to the generating companies, and this letter of credit is to be placed with the regional load dispatch center, which schedules the power. And this load dispatch center, only after it has received information from the generating companies as to the status of the LC by the DISCOMs, then accordingly schedules power for the DISCOMs. So what happened is that the MECL had already placed an LC with the NTPC to the tune of about 18 crores. And this LC was unfortunately encashed by the NTPC. This is because of certain fixed charges which are as outstanding dues to the NTPC. And that's why, because the LC was encashed, they have asked the MECL to, to give a new LC in place of the encashed LC. In the absence of that letter of credit, NTPC has then gone ahead and blocked the portal whereby the load dispatch center is not being able to schedule power to MECL.